Good afternoon, good afternoon. We're going to do the Rolling Stones, Wild Horses. Beautiful song. Childhood living is easy to do. The things you wanted, I bought them for you. Graceless lady, you know who I am. You know I can't let you slide through my hands. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. I watched you suffer a dull aching pain. Now you decided to show me the same. No sweeping exit or off stage line could make me feel bitter or treat you unkind. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. I know I've dreamed you a sin and a lie. I've had my freedom, but I don't have much time. Faith has been broken. Tears must be cried. Let's do some living after we die. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild horses, we'll ride them someday. Wild, wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild, wild horses, we'll ride them someday. Oh boy, that was almost perfect. Made a few little mistakes. That was real good though. All right, folks, I'm out.